Introduction to the data visualization. Data visualization is the process of representing data and information graphically, which helps the people to understand and interpret and analyze the data. It involves creating the visual representation of data, such as charts, graphs, maps, and diagrams, to communicate the complex information in a clear and understanding way. So, what is Tableau? Tableau is a data visualization tool that allows users to create interactive dashboards and visualizations that can be used to analyze and explore the data. It is also designed to be user friendly and even for the users who don't have the extensive technical skills. Means Tableau can be used by the non technical person also can learn the Tableau and he can use it. How does the Tableau work? Tableau works by connecting to different data sources such as Excel spreadsheet, databases, and even cloud based sources like Google Analytics. Once it is connected, users can drag and drop different data fields into the Tableau interface to create the visualization and the dashboard. One of the most powerful features of the Tableau is its ability to create interactive visualization. For example, as shown in the figure, users can create bar charts, line graphs, and scattered plots that allows viewers to explore their data in a real time. User can also create interactive filters that allow viewers to drill down into the specific data subsets, making it easier to identify their existing trends and insights. Tableau is a business intelligence and data visualization tool that offers a range of products to help the users analyze and visualize and share data insights. Here are the some products which is provided by the Tableau. Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is a data visualization and analysis tool that allows users to create interactive dashboard visualization and reports using the data from the various resources. It provides a drag and drop interface that makes it easy to create the compelling data visualization without need for the coding. So any non-technical person also can do use it. The second one is Tableau Public. Tableau Public is a free version of the Tableau that allows the users to create and share the public visualization and dashboard on the web. It provides an easy way for the users to get started with the Tableau and share their data insight with the world. The third one is the Tableau server. Tableau server is the platform that allows the users to publish and share Tableau dashboards and visualization with others. It provides a centralized location for storing and managing Tableau content and allows the users to control access to their data and dashboards. The fourth one is a Tableau Cloud. Tableau Online or Cloud is a cloud based version of the Tableau server that allows users to share their Tableau content with the others over the internet. It provides the same functionality as the Tableau server but eliminates the need of users to maintain their own server infrastructure. So Tableau server and Tableau Cloud are both are same, but here it is not maintained by the user. Third one, now the fourth, the fifth one is Tableau preparation. Tableau preparation is a data preparation tool that allows users to clean, transfer, and combine data from the various sources before analysis. It provides a visual and initiative interface for the data cleaning and allows the users to create reusable data preparation workflows. And the last one is Tableau Mobile. Tableau Mobile is a mobile app that allows users to access and interact with the Tableau content on their mobile devices. It provides an optimized viewing experience for the mobile devices and allows the users to interact with their dashboards and visualization in a touch-friendly way. So it's an easy way, you can use a friendly way to use the Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool, as I told you earlier, and it is also use a very powerful analysis tool. But like any technology, it has its pros and cons. Here are the some of the main advantages and disadvantages of the Tableau. The first one is the pros is easy to use. Tableau drag and drop interface. It's make it easy for the non-technical users also to create a compelling data visualization and dashboard without the need for the coding or any advanced technical skills. The second one it has a very powerful analytics. Means it we can create interactive dashboard with the help of the Tableau. Tableau allows the users to create interactive dashboard that enable users to explore the data and gain the insights in the real time. Users can drill down into data, filter, sort, and interact with the dashboard to uncover the hidden insights. The third one is scalability. Tableau can handle large data sets and complex data models, making it suitable for the large organization with diverse data needs. So now these are the pros of the Tableau. Then there are some the cons of the Tableau. The first one is the cost. Tableau can be expensive for the small businesses or individual users, especially the enterprise level products like Tableau Server and the Tableau Online. The second one is the limited customization. Tableau provides a set of the pre-built visualization and chart types, but some users may find that these are not customizable enough to meet their specific needs. The third one is the performance. Large and complex datasets can impact Tableau's performance, causing it to slow down or crash. Users may need to optimize their data models or hardware infrastructure to ensure the optimal performance. Overall, the Tableau is a powerful data visualization and analysis tool that can help the users to get the insights from the complex dataset. However, users to weigh the benefits against the cost and potential drawbacks before deciding whether Tableau is the right tool for their needs or not. According to the salary from the Glassdoor and pay scale, the average salary of the Tableau data scientist or data developer in India ranges from the 6 lakhs per annum to the 18 lakhs per annum. In addition to the above factors, the specific job responsibility of the Tableau data scientist or Tableau data developer can also impact their salary. For example, data scientists with experience in data preparation, data modeling, and data visualization using the Tableau may command a higher salary than someone who only has a basic Tableau skills. Here is the rough breakdown of the Tableau data developer salaries in India by experience level. If it is entry level, it varies from the 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. If it is from mid level, it from 10 to 14 lakhs per annum. If he is in senior level, it is between the 16 to 18 lakhs per annum. Again, these are the just rough estimates and can vary depending on the various factors as mentioned above. So, in conclusion, today we learn how Tableau is a powerful tool that enables users to create interactive visualizations and dashboards that help them better understand and analyze the data. Whether you are an analyst, data scientist, or Tableau developer, or business intelligence professional, Tableau is a tool that can help you make data driven decisions and drive the real results. And these are the different products we can offer by the Tableau that we already seen different how the Tableau can create the dashboard that we already seen in our video. So thanks for the watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.